The Ngheredigion Rural Events Programme was set up to help events within the county become more sustainable. We've helped events with their advertising and promotion costs, which in turn has led to them having an increased number of visitors and trade to the events. We've also helped fund items of equipment where events would normally hire these in, so we've helped them save money on their budgets by buying the equipment for them. We've also marketed events ourselves. We've got a website, festivals-events-wales.co.uk, where all the events are advertised. We've produced marketing leaflets that have gone out throughout the county to help increase the number of visitors that come to the events as well. We've also helped food festivals, in particular within Ngheredigion, with their marketing, and we've gone to big shows in London, such as the Taste of London in Regent's Park, and we've gone to the Royal Welsh shows in the winter and the summer to help promote the food festivals there. After the RTP funding has finished in February 2011, we hope to continue helping events within the county by helping them reduce their budgets by, for example, borrowing and sharing of equipment, involving sponsorship and cooperative working within different event organisations. And we hope that this will help reduce events' reliance on funding and obviously make them more sustainable for the future.
Sefydlwyd rhaglen datblygu digwyddiadau gwledig Ceredigion yn 2008 wedi cael gronfa gan gynllun datblygu gwledig. Prif nod y rhaglen yw i wneud y gorau o dwristiaeth gwledig yng Ngheredigion gan helpu gwyliau a digwyddiadau yn y sir i fod yn fwy gynaladwy. Yr ydym wedi helpu digwyddiadau gyda hysbysebu ac arwyddo ac hefyd wrth prynu offer. Mae gennym wefan festivals-events-wales.co.uk lle rydym yn hyrwyddo gwyliau yn y sir. Hefyd mi helpwyd gwyliau yn Ngheredigion ac mi fuom yn sioeau yn Llundain a Sioe Frenhinol Cymru yn yr haf ac yn y gaeaf i hyrwyddo y gwyliau bwyd yno. Ar ôl y rhaglen gwblhau yn mis Chwefro 2011, yr ydym yn gobeithio parhau i helpu gwyliau yn y sir i fod yn fwy gynaladwy yn y dyfodol.